Aliexpress is a popular online marketplace that connects buyers and sellers from around the world. As an affiliate marketer, you can earn commissions by promoting Aliexpress products to your audience. To become an Aliexpress affiliate, you need to sign up for the program and create a unique affiliate link. This link will track any sales made through it, and you'll earn a commission on those sales. Aliexpress offers a competitive commission rate, which can vary depending on the product category. Some categories offer up to 80% commission. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to promote high-converting products. You can find these products by using the Aliexpress Affiliate Dashboard, which provides insights into the best-selling products and categories. Promoting Aliexpress products through social media, blogs, and email marketing is a popular strategy. You can create product reviews, tutorials, and roundup posts to attract potential buyers. Building an email list is crucial for affiliate marketing success. You can offer incentives such as discounts or freebies to encourage your subscribers to make a purchase through your affiliate link. Creating high-quality content is essential to attract and retain your audience. Make sure your content is informative, engaging, and visually appealing. Consistency is key to building a successful affiliate marketing business. Create a content calendar and stick to a regular publishing schedule. Collaborating with other affiliates and bloggers in your niche can help you reach a wider audience and earn more commissions. Using social media ads and influencer marketing can also help you reach a larger audience and drive more sales. Tracking your performance is crucial to optimize your strategy. Use the Aliexpress Affiliate Dashboard to monitor your sales, commissions, and conversion rates. Analyzing your data can help you identify trends, opportunities, and areas for improvement. Testing different strategies, such as different product categories, promotional methods, and content formats, can help you find what works best for your audience. Building a strong brand and reputation is essential to establish trust and credibility with your audience. Providing excellent customer service and support is crucial to retain your audience and earn repeat sales. Staying up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices in affiliate marketing can help you stay ahead of the competition. Investing in your education and skills, such as learning SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing, can help you grow your business and earn more commissions. Networking with other affiliates, bloggers, and industry experts can help you learn new strategies, share insights, and collaborate on projects. Staying motivated and persistent, even during the tough times, is crucial to building a successful affiliate marketing business. Remembering to have fun and enjoy the process, as affiliate marketing can be a rewarding and fulfilling career path.